IndiNatus. India is entering a defined phase of its economic journey. The next generation of India's growth will not come only from manufacturing more products. It will come from creating the technologies behind those products. It will come from research, intellectual property, engineering capability, skill deployment, and global competitive Indian technologies companies. This is the purpose behind IndiNatus India Private Limited. I am Chandrasekhar, founder and managing director of IndiNatus. Our journey began with one fundamental belief. India should not remain only a consumer of critical technology. India must become a creator, owner, and global exporter of technology. The video surveillance industry no longer simply about camera. Today, intelligent surveillance is an important technology layer of public safety, transportation, healthcare, education, manufacturing, critical infrastructure, and smart infrastructure. We saw both an opportunity and responsibility. India has enormous engineering talent. Yet much of the underlying technology is the sector has originated outside India. We choose a different path. Instead of building our business primarily around importing technology and assembling product, we decided to build technology capability within India. That means investing in hardware engineering, embedded software, firmware, intellectual, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, PCB design, mechanical engineering, edge computing. This was the more difficult path, but it was the right path because our objective was never simply to sell a product. Our objective was to create Indian technology. Our vision is to build IndiNatus into a globally respected Indian deep technology company creating product and intellectual property in Bharat for India and for the world. We want to represent a new generation of Indian companies. Companies that research, design, develop, manufacture, and continuously innovate in India. Our philosophy is simple build technology in Bharat, create intellectual property in Bharat, create employment in Bharat, and take Indian innovation to the world. One of the most important achievements of IndiNatus is the engineering capability we have created. Today, our R&D ecosystem includes 42 skilled engineers working across multiple disciplines. They work on embedded hardware, embedded software, firmware, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, PCB design, mechanical engineering, edge computing, video analytics, and system engineering. But this capability was not built overnight. It has been developed through continuous investment in people, research, infrastructure, and innovation. Our journey has also been strengthened by the support of a strong innovation ecosystem. IndiNatus has been incubated by IIT Mandi Catalyst, connecting our technology journey with an ecosystem focused on innovation, entrepreneurship, and technology development. And our DSIR recognized in-house R&D center is an important milestone in establishing our formal industrial research and development capability. Together, these milestones reflects a clear philosophy. Innovation must be built on capability, not just ambition. In a relatively short period, IndiNatus has progressed from a startup founded in 2021 into an Indian technology company with its own R&D, engineering, and product development capabilities. We have developed a portfolio that includes AI IP camera, network video recorder, intelligent video surveillance solution, video management software, mobile application. But amongst our achievement, our milestone is stand apart STQC. Achieving STQC certification for our indigenous video surveillance product represents a significant milestone in our journey. For us, STQC is much more than a certification. It represents the culmination of our work across hardware engineering, embedded software, firmware, cybersecurity, product architecture, testing and validation, documentation, quality process, system engineering. It demonstrates that IndiNatus has not merely developed product in India. We have built the engineering capability to develop and validate trusted surveillance technology in India. Our journey can therefore be expressed as research, design, development, validation, manufacturing, and globalization. This is the transition India needs from technology consumption to technology ownership. Video surveillance today is much more than a commercial product. It supports safer and more secure environment across transportation, healthcare, education, manufacturing, government infrastructure, commercial infrastructure, and critical infrastructure. Indigenous technology also strengthens technology sovereignty, cybersecurity reliance, indigenous intellectual property, product engineering capability, and strategic technological capability. Our objective is not to isolate India from global technology. It is to ensure that India has the capability to develop, control, and continuously advance important technologies from within India. For IndiNatus, employment generation is not a secondary outcome. It is a part of our mission. Technology company creates high value employment across research, AI, embedded system, hardware, cyber security, testing, manufacturing, and technical services. At IndiNatus skills, our ambition is to create hundreds of skill direct employment opportunities and thousands of indirect opportunities across the broader technologies and electronic ecosystem. These opportunities extend beyond IndiNatus to MSMEs, suppliers, manufacturers, testing laboratories, system integrators, distributors, retailers, logistics, and service organizations. Our technology company can therefore become the foundation for an entire economic ecosystem. This is where our vision becomes even more important. India's technology revolution cannot remain concentrated in a few metropolitan cities. India's next growth opportunity is Bharat beyond the metros. Tier 1 city can continue to lead advanced research, AI, and global technology management. Tier 2 cities can become center of engineering, product development, and manufacturing. Tier 3 cities can participate in electronic production, testing, technical services, and support. And villages can increasingly become part of technology-enabled economic ecosystem through skilled technical services, local support, logistics, manufacturing linkage, a new form of employment. The objective is not to move every talented young Indian to a metropolitan city. The objective is to take opportunity closer to the talent. Imagine a young engineer from a tier 3 town contributing a technology deployment internationally. Imagine an electronic MSME in a smaller city becoming part of a global technology supply chain. Imagine high value technical opportunities reaching communities that previously had limited access to them. This is the Bharat we want to help build. Our journey does not stop with today products. We are building capabilities in artificial intelligence, edge computing, cyber security, intelligent video analytics, secure embedded systems, enterprise technology. Our ambition is to take these capabilities beyond India. We want to export Indian engineering. We want to export Indian intellectual properties. We want to export Indian innovation. We want IndiNatus to become a global technology brand representing the strength of Indian engineering. I believe the next great technology story of India will not be written by a handful of cities. It will be written by talent from every part of India. Our responsibility is to create the platform where that talent can innovate, where research become product, where products create businesses, where businesses create employment, and where employment transform communities, and where Indian technology compete confidently with the world. This is what IndiNatus stands for. Not simply manufacturing, but technology creation. Not simply employment, but high value careers. Not simply growth, but an ecosystem. Not simply an Indian company, but an Indian technology brand with global ambition. Our commitment is to continue building technology, creating intellectual property, generating employment, and expanding opportunities across Bharat, and demonstrate to the world that advanced technology can truly be designed, developed, and built in Bharat. IndiNatus, building technology, creating opportunity, and strengthening Bharat. Jai Hind. Thank you.